Once again, this is a cold room and blast freezer built by AORC, Akpo Oyegwa Refrigeration Company. Over here, we have the blast freezer, and over here, we have the cold room. The full length is 20 feet. From this spot to this spot is 20 feet. From top to bottom is 8 feet. It's a solar panel powered cold room and blast freezer. We have a center partition separating each system. The temperature over here, expected temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius, requested by the client. And over here we have 2 degrees Celsius for storing vegetables. This here is for storing meat. And if you look closely, we have the solar panels powering the systems. It's a solar panel powered system. I hope you can see that. Let me go closer. I need to go closer so you can see the solar panels. These are the solar panels powering the cold room and blast freezer. That's the cold room and blast freezer. And that's the solar panel powering each of them. So let's go and see the control panel to find out what temperature the system is reading at the moment. We built this cold room and blast freezer in Bauchi State. We build all across the country. High quality cold room, high quality blast freezer. Now let's go straight to the control panel and see how effective this system is running. This is the blast freezer at the moment. This is the freezer compressor. The system is running perfectly, no vibrations, running smoothly. We're expecting to reach a temperature of minus 20 degrees Celsius. Right now, the blast freezer room temperature is 15.5 degrees Celsius. The compressor is running, the fan is running, the evaporating unit fan is running. The system is working to standard. Minus 15.6 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature in the blast freezer. We're expecting to reach minus 20 degrees Celsius. The system is running perfectly. This is the cold room. The client intends to store vegetables. The minimum temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. Let's start this unit and see. The compressor is working, power is on, fan is on. Shortly, we will see this temperature dropping till it reaches 2 degrees Celsius. Both systems are working smoothly. The temperature is dropping while the system is running. The temperature will continue to drop until we get to 2 degrees Celsius. Now we have gotten to 12.8 degrees Celsius. Let's see how fast this system is running. We are going to approach 2 degrees Celsius. Now it's 12.3 degrees Celsius. Approaching 20 degrees Celsius. Right now is minus 15.8 degrees Celsius. This has dropped to 11.4 degrees Celsius. So this is a high quality cold room and blast freezer built by Akpo Oyegwa Refrigeration Company, AORC. Visit our website and check the price list. We have published the price list. You can also request for an official quotation by filling our quotation request form directly on our website.